Good morning, I'm MrTieDye, and today we're going to open up another tapestry here. So after I did that Sun Tapestry number 4 on the live video, once I saw it I knew I needed to make more of them. So the other day I tied up a couple more tapestries and dyed them up. This one here I dyed similar in the sun colors, and then the other one I dyed in blues to make it look like a snowflake. So we're going to open these up and see what we got. So this here is the back side. So these here are some of these darts. This was done on incline. So I like it when I get a little bit extra color squirting down there. And then this was the other side where I applied the dye. I used a little different color, I think marigold. So it was a little darker in the yellow there. But then I did my orange, and I think this one here I did jungle red instead of fire red, just to try a different color. Yeah, looks like we're going to have some nice colors down in here. Let's open this thing up. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I'm liking that one. So, there we go with another Grand Central Sun Tapestry. Okay, here's the other tapestry. So I tied it up pretty similar to the Sun Tap, but I did a couple extra petals on here, and then this here I tied straight across to give me a little bit of a hexagonal shape in there. So, but I still did the kind of curvy line here at the circle. So let's open this up and see what we have. Alright, let's open this up. Alrighty. There we have it. So we'll get this washed up and see how it came out.